in the mood. Off the Louis, y'all don't move like me, Freeman Huey. Got emotions, every day.
I'm too excited. This wig looks just like my real hair. Like when I had my hair straight, it looks just like it. These are a few things that came in the box. Of course, the wig, a edge brush, a wig cap. This is the wig construction. You get an adjustable band, of course, two combs on the side, and one comb at that nape. Y'all, as soon as I threw on the wig, it was already looking like it was mine straight off the scalp. I love it. Like the cap was very comfortable. The combs are in a comfortable position where it's not going to irritate your head. And as soon as you put those combs in, they just slide right in and hold that wig down. It's very secure. Like I don't like when my wig is shifting. So you can remove the combs if you don't need them, or you can simply just place them back in. I love to have the combs in because I like to make sure that mine is secure as possible. This is how the wig looks. Now you don't have to use any spritz like I do. I just did a light spritz, but this is honestly a glueless wig, so you don't have to use anything at all. But I just like to do a little spritz on mine and just hold the wig down with one of those headbands that they give you, because while I'm styling it, I don't want to be pulling at the combs that are connected to my head. So it's just better to just have a band there for security while I maneuver my hair around, do what I need to do, brush it, comb it, blow dry it. Now this is the heat protector I enjoy using, the turn up the heat. Like I really love this heat protector. It really leaves the hair silky. You want to make sure you don't use too much because it can get oily. Now this wig is 20 inches and it is also 180% density. And I feel like the 180% density is all you need because it looks realistic. Like I know a lot of people like their wigs to kind of look like wigs or their weaves to look like weaves. Me personally, I wanted to look just like how my real hair was. So I even layered it slightly how my real hair was before. I'm going to insert a picture so I can show y'all exactly how my hair was before. Now this is a body wave wig. I did go ahead and straighten it, and I might put some curls in it next time because the way this hair just feels so luxurious. Like I felt like I was getting a silk press. I was so pressed because I have not worn straight hair all summer. Like this is my first time all summer wearing some straight hair. I had to pull out my straightener from retirement. I was like, where is my straightener at? But the wig is super silky. I really love the density of this wig. Like I said before, I felt like the cap also fits perfectly. The hair straightened very well as I used my heat protector. It didn't have a smell. It didn't have a waxy feel. It was already soft. This is straight out the box. I did not wash this wig. Y'all can wash your wigs if y'all need to, but it's already pre-cut, pre-colored, pre-bleached, pre-everything. Look at that. All I did was add a little bit of spritz, and that's it. Like I didn't even add makeup to this wig. Like the way the wig just fit my head perfectly. Like we were made for each other. I'm gonna leave the link for this down below because y'all have to copy y'all this wig. Like, and whatever length y'all get, it's gonna be tea. It's gonna be tea. Like, imagine getting this length in a bob. Look how flat this wig was in the back. Even if I were to slick it into like a ponytail, I feel like the wig cap fits perfectly. And how many times can y'all say that I bought a wig? Like, I feel like it doesn't look realistic because it might look a little bumpy, a little lumpy. And nobody wants their wigs to look lumpy and bumpy. That's the whole point. We're trying to give off authentic, natural. That's why we looking for the HD laces and the laces that look like this, pre-cut, pre-colored. Now right here is where I layered it a little bit to mimic my real hair like I had my hair last time. And baby, doing this, it just like really set the tone. I was like, oh, you can't tell me this is not my hair. I ended up taking some pictures, feeling myself like, and just the security of this wig is really good. Like, I'm not even hyping this up, even though they sent me this wig. I really was pressed to get this wig, like, and I'm so happy. Like, the quality is tea, but Iseehair, like, honestly, the quality of their hair is always tea. Like, I'm not gonna front. The quality of Iseehair is always tea. I've been saying this. Even their half wigs, any wigs that I have gotten from Iseehair are tea. I have yet to receive anything trash from them because they know how to give out quality service, quality hair. I love it. Love this for me. Look at the melt. Yeah, so I'll leave the link for y'all down below. I'm feeling myself. Time to go out. And as y'all can see, glueless, and it just looks so natural. Yeah, go ahead and cop y'all this wig, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye, faves.
If I could put my feelings on